Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming you control the account recovery channel. This ensures the reset reaches you. Once done, open Vrchat's login screen on a browser or app and tap Forgot Password. Enter the exact email or username tied to the account, then submit the request. Make sure to check both inbox and spam folders. If you used a phone, expect a short code via SMS. These first steps trigger the secure reset workflow Vrchat provides so you can regain access. Next, verify the reset delivery. Open the email link or enter the SMS code promptly, since links may expire. When prompted, create a new password. Pick 12 or more characters mixing uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols to avoid reuse. After updating, immediately log into Vrchat to confirm the change worked. Make sure to update any password managers you use and enable two-factor authentication if Vrchat offers it. This prevents future resets from being the only protection. Finally, confirm all devices accept the new credentials and that synced apps update. If you still can't log in, clear the app cache or reinstall the Vrchat app, then retry the login. Sometimes stale data blocks access. If problems persist, contact Vrchat support with proof you control the account. Do not attempt other accounts or methods. One key troubleshooting tip: if you don't receive emails, whitelist Vrchat's mail domain and check your spam rules before repeating the reset.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.